Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kini gilong kijing penmana, naga Health and Family Welfare Department, kabay day bat ka COVID-19 status. Kies kiba thamai kiba niyo hadu shibaji menta kasngi gilong khat khandai na East Khas Hills kidan khat san khat lai kide ki BSF R kide ki pat West Jaintia Hills Iway South Garo Hills Iway West Garo Hills R ki total active cases ki bangidan hadu menta gilong sanspa fra po East Khas Hills kidan South Spa Khandai Puai BSF Aspa Sanpusau kiwei gilong Aspa Lai Armed Forces Lai Pusau West Khas Hills Southwest Khas Hills Ndan Ribhoi South South West Jaintia Hills Khat South East Jaintia Hills Khat San West Garo Hills Khat San Southwest Garo Hills South South Garo Hills Iway kiba la recover menta kasni kilong lai pat baro kiba recover hadu menta kilong aspa shifo bakhlat san. The total number of deaths is 5. Ki test kiba nila phale hadu menta kasni arbaje kilong life san hajar sanspa nyofuar ki balong negative nang ne gilong life sa hajar dreus pa sanfunyo ki test ki bangidang up ya ki reports gilong shispa khatar ki breu ki barung po Meghalaya hadu menta arbaje mensngi gilong arfsa hajar shispa saufunyo kini gilong jingpana Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department. These are the information from Health and Family Welfare Department with regard to COVID-19 status. Kibayo thamai menta kilong khat khandai hadu mestap ngiyo ar mentan janmit hadu sibaji ngiyo khanyo kilong khat khandai